Okay, I believe we are done now. All right, so let's recap all the things that we just did. So if we look here in the Excel file, what we were doing was we were taking Monarch Classic to load reports in Classic. We were going to the table view, we were copying and we were pasting into this Excel file. And then in the Excel file, we had a bunch of formulas that would update and then pivot tables that would refresh. Okay, now we have moved all of that now into Data Prep Studio. So all of these columns here, these are the columns that were, Excel formulas and such. And then over here in the summary, what we did is we built these uh, summaries. Where's my monthly sales? Yeah, okay, yeah, here we are, these three. So this is one of the summaries we built. We call them summaries on our Data Prep Studio. They were pivot tables in Excel. So we built the one for monthly sales, one for country, and one for GL. And those all map, you know, that's what these were. Um, So now, how does this work, right? So, again, you would save it as a workspace, you would save your work, and then next week or next month, whenever you have to do this process, what you would do is just plug in the new files. So let's say I've got February, I would drag and drop that here. Okay, you would drag and drop it right here. And then I can add March as well, and then I can add April. Okay, so when I add the new months, everything gets updated. So now I don't have to jump back and forth between going to Classic and then Excel. It's all in here. If I scroll over to the right, you will see that, and then if I scroll down, you'll notice the data will update, showing me, I can see the formulas working, all the the lookups and stuff, they're all working. And then when I go to the summaries, if I look at the summaries, I'll see that they updated. So here's the monthly sales one. It's updated with all the subtotals for all the different months. And then the country ones and the GL one are just basically aggregated totals. Just to show you what I did, so this is um, my own, this is a workspace I've saved. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to quickly add the files in here as well. And the only difference in my save workspace is, I dressed it up a little. I added some colors for the subtotals, as well as a color for the grand total. And that's it, right? So this is how you can move a process from Classic straight into the Data Prep Studio. Awesome.